Welcome to LG Studio Essence. White Essence revolutionizes home aesthetics and functionality through cutting-edge technology and minimalist design. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, each White Essence appliance reflects Studio's commitment to innovation and elegance. Let's start by talking about the most obvious change to these appliances: the color. Essence appliances are dressed in our new gorgeous white finish. Additionally, you'll notice they come shipped with light bronze handles and control knobs. The largest and most eye-catching appliance of the lineup is, of course, the refrigerator. The SRFB27W3 is built on our CounterDepth Max platform, offering a standard depth light 27 cubic feet capacity in a counter-depth footprint. In keeping with the minimalist design that defines Essence, the water dispenser is found inside the fridge compartment to keep that look clean. In the freezer, you get an ice maker that holds up to 4 pounds of cubed ice. Typical of our freestanding studio refrigeration, this model also comes with our premium charcoal gray interior, as well as a metal cool guard back wall. Finally, being a premium refrigerator, the smart cooling system provides industry-leading food preservation and comes with Energy Star certification. Some say the range is at the heart of the kitchen, and Essence will be offering 2 feature-packed slide-ins. Each of these 30-inch ranges will share the same design philosophy. Studio's exclusive soft-close hinges will come standard on all models. Their metal forged backlit knobs and handles give the chef the confidence that their cooking appliance is built with purpose. When we look inside, the 6.3 cubic foot oven offers our most premium features: air sous vide, air fry with the included air fry rack, easy clean as well as self clean, pro bake convection, 2 heavy-duty racks, and a premium glide-out rack, which can't be found on any of its LG counterparts. InstaView lets you quickly check on your baked creations, while ThinQ Wi-Fi lets you monitor things remotely. For the cooktop, we're offering 2 cooking methods: a gas model that wields a 22,000 BTU brass burner. Additionally, our induction model that boasts a 4,300 watt ultra heat element. With the rise in desire for induction in the market, this model will surely be a hit for customers looking for a premium range in their homes. We are also expanding White Essence to our studio wall ovens. We are offering a combi wall oven with the Essence white finish. The oven utilizes a 4.7 cubic foot capacity and a 2,000 watt convection element to enable air fry, steam sous vide, baking, and roasting capabilities. To keep track of all the cooking, you'll also find an included temperature probe to ensure your food is done to a single degree of accuracy. What truly sets these apart from the LG wall ovens is their 7-inch LCD smooth touch glass display that offers predetermined cooking plans for specific dishes. Like all their range counterparts, you can check on your food without opening the door using InstaView. The combi also includes the 1.7 cubic foot turbo cook speed oven with infrared cooking. It can be used to microwave popcorn or even cook steaks and everything in between. Couple that with the soft close hinges and the option to install flush or proud, they'll fit effortlessly into any kitchen. And when it's wrapped up in the Essence White with the premium design language of Studio, these are the best wall ovens Studio has ever offered. Lastly, for cooking, you can pair your Essence White range or new induction cooktop with the matching range hood. Offered in a 30-inch format, it offers exceptional performance. 600 CFM vents with 5 speeds, heavy-duty mesh filters, and ThinQ Wi-Fi control will ensure your air is clean and free of harmful odors when cooking. In the kitchen, the experience both starts and ends with the dishwasher. With its flagship feature, the industry-leading 1-hour wash and dry cycle is supported by the super effective Quad Wash Pro with micro-bubble technology as well as dynamic heat dry. True Steam technology helps remove tougher messes, eliminating the need for pre-rinsing. Open the door and feel the smooth glide racks that can fit anything and everything into the tub with height-adjustable second and third racks. Once you start the cycle, the 40 decibel sound level will be whisper quiet. In fact, quieter than any other dishwasher in our core lineup. This Essence model truly embraces minimalistic aesthetic, as when installed, the emission of a logo and premium handle fall beautifully into the White Essence finish that goes great with any color cabinetry. Let's explore LG's strategy for bolstering your business through promotions. At the core of our approach is the fundamental concept of essence, which emphasizes harmonizing various models within homes to achieve a unified design. In line with this philosophy, we are introducing a series of enticing buy more, save more promos throughout the year. Essence White embodies a lifestyle that goes beyond the ordinary. The 2024 Studio Update marks a transformative moment, elevating the lineup with a distinct design profile, full metal construction, and exclusive Essence White finish. We're excited to continue to push boundaries and offer unique options to all customers that encapsulate the true essence of what Studio is.